Coronado room tour 3162. All right, this is the 2-bedroom. As soon as you walk in, they got some artwork there. And this is what the 2-bedroom looks like. Very nice looking room. All right, let's take a look and see what they have. Right here is a Keurig. They give you a few different pods and flavored creamer. Right there's your ice bucket. Plenty of room here to work in case you need to work while you're away. And on the TV, they put your name on the TV, which is right around the corner. There's some lights that you flip up on either end. I flipped those two up. And then there's one there and one on the other side. They are queen size beds. There are plenty of outlets here. It looks like they have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports on each side. There's some switches here. Oh, and they light up the bed a little bit better. Now let's take a look and see what it looks like even more lit up. Oh yeah, look at that. I give you a ceiling fan. Some more artwork on the walls. There's a mirror here to get ready. They do have one of the Alexa devices that it's Hey Disney. Plenty of drawer space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then over here is a mini fridge. Slider door, closet here to hang up some items, some towels. It does have dual sinks for people who are getting ready. And they do give you some hand lotion, 2 bar soaps. Looks like a shower cap if you need that. Bath soap. And then this is what the toilet looks like. And a shower. And in the shower, they do supply sea salt body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. That's what the shower head looks like. It's a dual, a handheld, and then a regular, like a rainfall shower head. They will give you more towels if you run out. Yeah, this is what the room looks like. Beautiful looking room here at the Coronado. 2 beds in the preferred room stay. Hopefully this helped you out in deciding if this is the room that you need or that you want for your family.